In this session, we are going to complete textbook exercise. Name the elements that determine the weather of a place. How we can determine the weather of a place? We can go for temperature, we can measure the temperature, we can find the humidity, we can calculate the rainfall, and we can calculate the wind speed. According to these calculations, we can determine the weather of a place. When are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during a day? When we can feel the minimum temperature and when we can feel the maximum temperature? It's a common question, right? Maximum temperature noontime and minimum temperature morning time. Fill in the blanks. The average weather taken over a long time is called climate. A place receives very little rainfall and temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of the place will be hot and dry because very little rainfall and high temperature. So the climate will be hot and dry. The two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are polar region and desert. In polar region, extremely low temperature, and in desert, extremely high temperature. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas: Jammu and Kashmir, moderately hot and wet; Kerala, hot and wet; Rajasthan, hot and dry; Northeast India, wet. Which of the two changes frequently, weather or climate? What is weather? Weather is day-to-day measurement of temperature, rainfall, wind speed, humidity. But climate is for a long period of time. So we can say that weather is changing frequently. For each characteristics, indicate whether it's adaptation for tropical rainforest or polar region. Do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for both region? Diets heavy on fruits, tropical rainforest; white fur, polar region; need to migrate, polar region; loud voice, tropical rainforest; sticky pads on feet, tropical rainforest; layer of fat under the skin, polar region; wide and large pores, polar region; bright colors, tropical rainforest; strong tails, tropical rainforest; long and large beak, tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. The climatic condition of tropical rainforest is good for living organism. It is suitable for living organism. The climatic condition of tropical rainforest is suitable for living organism, so tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain with examples why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climatic condition. Polar bear is adapted to live in polar region. It cannot live in tropical rainforest. Similarly, monkeys are adapted to live on trees in tropical forest. It cannot live in polar region. How do elephant living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? Elephant's trunk has strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking up food. Its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of tree for food. Elephant has large ears to keep the body cool. These large ears will help them to listen soft sound. A carnivore with stripes on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in polar region, desert, ocean, tropical rainforest. Answer is tropical rainforest. Which features adapt polar bears to live extremely cold climate? Polar bears are having lot of adaptations, right? A white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. The thin skin, large eyes and white fur. Long tail, strong claws, white large paws. White body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. The first one is the right one. White fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Which option best describe a tropical region? hot and humid. Moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. Hot and humid.